how to fix error code 279 in Roblox on mobile. So I'm going to show you 3 fixes. For the first one, we want to exit out of Roblox, go into the App Store here, and we just want to search for Roblox here in the App Store. Just make sure that you have the most up-to-date version of Roblox. So if it says update here, we want to click on update. If it says open, then you have the most up-to-date version. Now that was for the first fix. For the second fix, and this should work for most, we want to go to our settings here, and we will just search for the settings, and we will just search for Roblox. Now find your Roblox application, click on it, and make sure this is toggled on. So if cellular data is turned off, we want to turn this on like this. Even if it's turned on, disable it and then re-enable it like so, and repeat the same process for background app refresh as well. So we're going to toggle this off and then toggle this back on. And if that doesn't work, the last thing that we can do here to fix our Roblox error 279 is go into the settings, and this time we will search for offload. So just search for offload and offload unused apps. Here we want to find Roblox in this list. Click on it, and then you will just click on offload app, and offload app is going to offload the application. Then click on reinstall app, and this is going to reinstall Roblox. It shouldn't take that long, and it's not going to log you out of your account. You will have access to your Roblox account again, so don't worry about it. So just give it some time to reinstall here, and I'll show you that Roblox works. So right here I'm going to open up Roblox, and as you can see I'm logged in and it works. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.